Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is actually a suggested video from Kimberly, who went on my community tab and suggested that I do this video. So thank you, Kimberly, I appreciate it. And today's video is: what are the different ways that you can use your mini pochette? If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love my mini pochettes. So today I'm going to show you how I use them as part of my collection. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Click the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. This video, I'm just going to be using one of my mini pochettes. If you're interested in seeing an updated mini pochette collection, leave me some comments in the section down below. But for today, we're going to use this beautiful Louis Vuitton mini pochette in the Damier Ebene print. And it's got the beautiful Vivienne right here with the Eiffel Tower. How can you use this? Today, I am going to give you 4 ways of using this gorgeous little thing right here. So, number 1, you can use it as a catch-all in your bag. And what does that mean? That means anything that you don't know where to put in your bag because you're afraid you're either gonna lose or you're not gonna find, you put it in here. So I'll give you some examples. Reading glasses, right in here. Little scrunchie for your hair. That you can never find inside your bag, right in there. Lip balm, throw it right in here, no problem. How about a lipstick? Sure, let's put that in there. We can even put a small perfume in here. This is a Tiffany perfume, a sample somebody gave me, and we can just put it in here. And here we go. So a catch-all is, I think, the most popular way to use this item, and this is how I use the mini pochette on a daily basis. I take this in every single bag that I can fit it, and I put everything and anything in it. So, number 1, catch-all. Next way that you can use your mini pochette is actually as a makeup bag or makeup pouch. You have to be careful. This is not wipeable interior. However, I have not had a problem to this day. So if you want to use it as a makeup pouch, you can put a lip liner in there, a lip gloss, Charlotte Tilbury powder, Tom Ford blush, you can put in your lip balm if you want, and actually you can put some more things in here and they absolutely will fit. You can go ahead and put your little scrunchie in there, and there it is. It's a great little makeup pouch. I sometimes use this as a makeup pouch if I am taking a smaller bag and I'm not able to put in my toiletry pouch 15. I'll go ahead and use the mini pochette as a little makeup bag. So number 2 is a makeup bag. The third way you can use this beauty is as a bag. You can use her just like this for either evening occasions, sports occasions where you can only take a very, very small bag. If you are running out of the house and you have to go either to the supermarket or to run an errand or to get your nails done and you don't want to take a big bag, you can use it as a bag. And there's 2 ways of doing it. Number 1, just the way it is. You can carry it like this. You can go ahead and put it on your shoulder just like this, no problem. And the other way that you can use it is by attaching a chain. If you own a Felici, you will have one of these chains, and you can go ahead and attach the chain right onto the bag, and you can now have a crossbody. She looks adorable. She'll have her gold chain right in the front or silver, and you can go ahead and just crossbody, use her crossbody, or you can go ahead and put her on your shoulder. Now, if you don't have a Felici chain, that's all right. There are chains that look like the Felici because many years ago, when I did not own a Felici, I went ahead and purchased this right here, and I'll link the company down below. I don't remember the name of the company right now, but I'll look it up for you. And you can go ahead and purchase this online, and you can head and use this as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, no problem at all. And I'm just going to show you very quickly. If you want to use it as a bag, you can put a lot of credit cards in there. You can, if you want, put a full 6-key holder in there. You can put reading glasses if you need them. You can still put your little scrunchie, and you can also put in your lip balm. Let me just organize it a little bit better here. And here you are. So driver's license, credit cards, reading glasses, a scrunchie for your hair, lip balm, and your keys in a 6-key holder. All of that fits into this little gorgeous thing right here. And as you can see, there's no lumps, there's no bumps. It looks just great. And just put it on your, go ahead and crossbody it, and you're ready to go. Isn't that amazing? It's a great. Now you're saying, well, okay, Isabel, that's great. What's the fourth way that you're gonna wear this as? And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna wear it as a bag charm. Here I have it with my Hoxton GM, and all you have to do is I've gone ahead and I put it through one of the loops right here. It is right in the front, and this is what it looks like. And it simply adds a little bit of something to your bag. You can put it on a Neverfull, you can put it on the Clooney, you can really put it on whatever bag you want. It doesn't even have to be a Louis Vuitton bag. You can use your imagination, you can match, you can unmatch, you can do it however you want. I personally just really enjoy when I match my patterns and just have a little bit of pop of color. But in conclusion, those are the 4 ways that you can get a lot of use out of your mini pochette. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you would like an updated mini pochette collection video, also let me know. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.